Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is we're going to be getting into the upcoming Pale Ivory SV Dunk Glow. Keep in mind, this SV Dunk Glow right here has been dropping, or it's been leaking out for a couple months. There's been early pairs out there, basically, is what I'm trying to say. But with this particular sneakers, it is now loaded for a sneakers release on May 29th. So if you're interested in this pair, it is going to be coming very soon. And as y'all can see, some very nice details on this pair up close. But let's get into it and discuss everything we got with the sneaker. As y'all can see, pretty big size I got right here, but I had to target the larger sizes, you know what I mean? Those are the ones that are flipping right now, and probably the ones that will end up flipping down the line if the sneaker does have a market there. But yeah, let's just get into it and discuss what we got with this pair. I can't speak. But yeah, if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Let me know your thoughts on this pair right here. Is this one you all would add to your personal collection? I'm going to show y'all everything that comes with this sneaker. We'll do some B-roll shots on it and just give y'all a little bit of a better in-hand look at these for the upcoming drop. Or maybe you already have a pair in hand. Let's just, again, show you guys everything they come with. But if you have a pair in hand, you already know everything they come with, you know what I'm saying? But you guys can also check out my Instagram down below if you guys just want to show me some love there. Or again, the Whatnot Lives are going live again there Tuesday. Make sure you guys save that stream or any of the upcoming ones. Just bookmark them right there, top right. And again, it will let you guys know right when I go live. So make sure you guys do that and don't miss out. But that's really everything I need to say. I hope y'all will enjoy it. And you can also check out any of the other stuff that we offer down below in the pinned comment as well. Shout out to my members in Resale Vision. And yeah, let's get started on mentioning the Pro B Pale Ivory SP. As y'all can see, my camera's having trouble focusing because like the colorway, but there you go. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see, purple box, nothing really out of the ordinary there, right? You see that with a lot of GR SV Dunk Glow releases. And you see the sale box on some like GR releases nowadays. It just really depends what sneaker it is, but all SB Dunk Glows, right? So aside from that, what we got right here, as y'all can see, clean suede. That's the main thing that I noticed that goes all around the sneakers. Kind of this, not a beige. Again, it really is more of that pale ivory color that they're describing. I mean, I was gonna say parachute beige or just like a bright beige, but again, they've already made a pair that is much more beige. So you guys go check out the parachute beige pair, which is basically just, again, different colorway of this exact sneaker right here, since it's both the Pro B SBs. And as y'all can see, we got that Air Zoom insole. And you all can see, I believe that is a green. I'll take a look. No, as y'all can see, it's just a black insole, actually. I thought it was like a dark forest green, but not just black. And that works perfectly because, as y'all can see, we got some cream laces right there. So that hits really nicely off that colorway. And as y'all can see, the gum bottoms right there. I mean, you can't go wrong with these, ever. And for some reason, are these hitting a little bit better than usual? I don't know. Am I tripping? Something about these hitting a little bit different. I think they made it a little bit brighter. That's one of the main things I noticed. Like, y'all notice it might be like toned up a bit. Maybe it's because I'm using the studio light today. It's just really helping it shine. But I don't know. I'm looking at this and I'm like, this is nice. So yeah, I like this pair right here. I would definitely cop it for retail. So I'm going for the drop on May 29th, hoping I can secure my pair right there on sneakers. And y'all can see what we got in the back right there. That is not embroidered. As y'all can see, that is actually a little bit different than what we normally have right there. It is just screen printed on the back right there by the heel. So I know not everyone's going to rock with that. Normally people like that Nike logo right there by the back embroidered. So I know not everyone's going to like that detail right there, but it's a very small portion of the sneaker. It doesn't really contribute to much, right? And as y'all can see, Nike logo on the front with the ivory SB text. Y'all can also see that's embroidered right underneath the Nike swoosh right there. A little bit hard to see it since it is, again, a bright white. So yeah, you're not really gonna see that. You know what I mean? It's kind of like this sneaker right here. Like, it's just a very bright sneaker. It's kind of hard to, like, if you were to see this from a distance, the only thing you'd really notice is, like, you would think it's just a white and gum bottom sneaker. You wouldn't really notice the pale ivory and the suede. Like, you have to kind of look at the sneaker up close to really see some of those details, if you get what I'm saying. But it's still a nice shoe. I'm not trying to take anything away from it by saying that. I'm just saying that it is a little bit harder to notice some of what comes with it because it is just a sneaker that blends in a lot. I don't feel like anybody will disagree with me on that. Like, most of the portions on this sneaker right here are blending in. Like, just take one look right here. Like, yes, most of it blends together. But y'all can see big laces, huge laces on these. Now, this could be just because this pair is massive. This is a size 13. We're selling these on Whatnot this week, so if you're interested, just save the stream on Tuesday. We're going to be starting them at $1, and we'll see what happens there. Hopefully I don't take a massive L, but look at this. Look how big those laces are. Like, I'm not kidding. These are massive extra laces, so just keep that in mind. You only get one extra set, which I believe it's like the exact same color as these ones right here. So, like, Nike, could we at least get an extra pair of laces that are like a different color? I think there might be let me check. Yeah, no, there's not another pair of laces. I did see someone rock these though with like some dark forest green laces, and that looked fire. So I heavily would recommend that. Maybe even a black pair of laces could work well, but that's the only extra pair of laces that we have, no other ones. So, I mean, that is a little bit of a letdown. Like, come on, Nike, like, let's get something else going there. I mean, I think it might be a little bit different, but it looks the exact same as, well, the standard laces that they come with already. So, not much creativity on that end, but, I mean, they're just laces, so that's not really the major portion of the sneaker. And y'all can see in the inside of the tongue tag what we got right there, typical details. And, yeah, I mean, that's really what we got with the Pale Ivory Pro B SB Dunk Low. But let me show you guys some B-roll shots of these up close, because again, I want to show you all what these look like, which is without me talking over it. Some up close shots out in the light, and really showing you guys what these would look like with some good sunlight on them. You know what I mean? And also just how this pair is. I mean, it does look comfortable. I'll say that. You got the fat tongue, lots and lots of padding right here by the heel, and also just again when you have the fat tongue tag, usually this sneaker is comfy. So that's one of the main things I could say about the shoe. It looks like it'd be comfortable. I mean, the parachute beiges are crazy comfy, so I doubt these are much different. They're the exact same sneaker, just a different colorway. So yeah, they're probably a really nice shoe. So I still, honestly, like, I like these, and I do want them in the collection, but I probably would take the parachute beiges first. Like, I'm going to be real. So I'm going to be going to look probably for the parachute beiges this week. I am trying for another big size for retail, because those do good for the whatnot stream. So hopefully we can hit another big size to run there and start at $1. But that's what I can say about the Pale Ivory SB Dunk Lows. Let's do some B-roll shots for these right now. Show you all again what they look like up close without me talking over it. And as y'all can see, still just like the light reflects off these. You know what I mean? Like, it just, there you go. That's like what it actually looks like right there. It was showing super bright a second ago. But yeah, let's get into it. I'll be talking less, so let's go for some of y'all. Let's go. Anyways, guys, it's pretty much what I can say about this video right here, and well, the Pale Ivory SB Dunk Low. It's a good pair. It's not one that's really gonna flip, especially in the small sizes like 8 through 11.5. Honestly, like, let me keep it real with you guys. Even under like small sizes 6 and 1/2, 7, you got some time to buy these. Like, let me keep it real with you. You do not have to buy these right now. Like, this will probably sit on sneakers. And it will probably go into retail. Like, that's just my personal prediction. Only size that I could see really like sitting out there and flipping would be like 13 and 14, just because they don't make any of them, and it is a very clean colorway. So you already know people are going to be looking for these. So I might just, you know, get a 13 to keep for a few years, see what happens, because that tends to do really well. Like, even with like GR SB Dunk Lows, you can like cop a big size for retail, wait a few years, and sometimes a couple years down the line they'll be doing some numbers. Sometimes, again, keep in mind I just said sometimes. That does not happen with every pair, but I'm always going to try and let you guys know which pairs it could happen with. Definitely could see it with these in like a 13 or 14 a few years down the line. Very slick, easy to wear colorway, especially the parachute beiges. Just give those a little bit of time, but there's a lot of those out there right now. You don't gotta go out the way and pay resale on those right now. You know what I mean? But I think resale is under retail, so I have no problem blaming resale. But again, if y'all want more content like this, subscribe and like down below. But just trying to 300 likes in this video. Let me know if this was a sneaker you guys would add to your collection. Don't forget to check out the Whatnot lives down below. Also, again, we're going live again Tuesday 3:30, so do not miss out on that stream. Biggest one yet, 150 items. So again, don't miss it. I'm gonna be live for at least a few hours, because that's gonna take a while, but it's gonna be a lot of fun there. I hope you guys will join me there, because it will be the biggest stream we've done yet. Tons of giveaways. We're gonna do like 10 things, I think, for giveaways. So just stay tuned. We're either gonna do 10 giveaways, or we're gonna give away free SB4. But if we do the SB4 giveaway, that'll be couple streams down the line, because we got to plan that out. But you know what I mean, gotta let Whatnot, yo, you know what I mean, help me get some promo going, something like that. Hey, all right, I'm just messing around there. But yeah, again, if y'all also want to check us out down below at Resale Vision, again, some of the deals to do things like that, then feel free to check that out, or my IGs. That's all down below in the description. I'm not going to pop up a bunch of stuff on the screen, but if you want to check it, it's there. It's down below in the pinned comment, and just let me know your thoughts on this sneaker right here. Is this one that you guys would add to your personal collection? For me, absolutely. I would definitely add these to my personal collection. I can't see my camera. There we go. Are these focusing? I don't think they were. There we go. Now I think they're focusing now. But yeah, let me know if this is a shoe that you guys would add to your personal collection. For me, absolutely. I just had to lean back to make sure that this shoe was in the shot, because keep in mind, this is a massive pair. So yeah, it's hard to fit everything in the frame. And I don't know what my camera's focusing on. What's back here? There's nothing back here. Yeah, my camera keeps focusing on something up there. There's not like a person back there. So all right, we're gonna end it there today. keeping it simple. I'm T. Thank you guys. I'm gonna do these B-roll shots and then we'll get this video edited and out. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.